Welcome to our comprehensive NIST CSF course, where you'll embark on a journey to fortify your organization's defenses. Discover the foundation of the NIST Cybersecurity Framework and gain insights into its significance in safeguarding your digital assets. Delve into the core functions and categories that form the backbone of effective cybersecurity practices. Learn how to identify, protect, detect, respond, and recover from cyber threats with precision and efficiency. Equip yourself with practical tools and methodologies to implement the NIST CSF seamlessly within your organization. Follow a structured approach to cybersecurity implementation, ensuring comprehensive coverage and resilience. Understand the applicability of the NIST CSF to your organization and assess its suitability for your specific needs. Tailor your cybersecurity strategy to align with your entity's objectives and risk profile. Expand your NIST CSF compliance knowledge at akitra.com/akitra-academy.